This is site number 1, Sawmill Canyon. That's the entrance into the campsite. Do a pan here to show you the surrounding terrain. That's where we're going four-wheeling while we're here. Right over that mountain goes over into what they call the Han town site. It's about halfway between Mud Lake and Ledor on the Salmon Highway. Generator, there's no electricity or anything here. There's the other four-wheeler. Little tent for some shade if we need it. Firewood in the truck. Got a creek over here. We're going to be spending about 6 days here. This creek flows past site number 2 and site number 3 that we've also got documented. We're here in site number 1. Our favorite site, first choice. There's the camper, fire pit. Site number 1, Sawmill Canyon. Right after you cross the bridge coming into the canyon, you turn left.